Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can move some snaps from your camera roll or maybe your memories to My Eyes Only on Snapchat. So first of all, what you have to do is get yourself into Snapchat and get logged into your account. From here, select Memories. It will show you every photo that you have taken in Snapchat. What you could do is you could long tap onto the snap which you would like to transfer to My Eyes Only, and select Hide. And first of all, enter your passcode for My Eyes Only. And it will ask you if you would like to move to My Eyes Only. Select Move. And the snap will be moved to My Eyes Only. So guys, this is how easy it is. If you would like to access My Eyes Only, tap on My Eyes Only on your top page, enter your passcode, and you will be able to see that snap. So thank you all for watching. If it helped, leave a like and sub. We will catch you up soon.